Hello everyone. So for today, I'm going to share with you how I made this easy and delicious recipe. Trust me, you will love it. Stay tuned and watch this recipe. So these are the list of ingredients I will be using for this shawarma recipe. So the first step is to wash and cut your beef into smaller pieces. I'm using tenderloin, but you can use any part of the beef. Tenderloin is easy to cook and then very soft. Cut everything into smaller pieces and then put it in one mixing bowl. Slice half of your onion and then use this onion to marinate your beef. So in one mixing bowl, I'm going to put the beef, the onion, the yogurt and all the spices. Add a little bit of olive oil and mix everything together. Cover and marinate for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, go ahead and cook your beef. Just put a little bit of oil in your saucepan and then add the beef. Stir everything together and then add a little bit of water so that it will allow it to steam very well. Cover and cook it for 15 minutes. So whilst the beef is cooking, at this point I will be chopping all my vegetables. This is also going to be part of the filling for the shawarma. So you remove all the seed inside the tomatoes and then slice all of them and then put it in one bowl, but make sure that you wash with vinegar or salt water. Please make sure your vegetables are fresh because you're not going to cook this one. It's just like making salad. So choose the fresh vegetables so that it can taste better when you fill your shawarma. Once the vegetables is ready, go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil, salt and then black pepper. Mix everything together and then set it aside. Okay, so I'll go ahead and make my sauce for the filling. So I'm using olive oil mayonnaise. The first one is the hot one. I added olive oil, mayonnaise and then paprika with hot sauce. And then the second one will be mayonnaise, salt, black pepper and then garlic powder. Once you're done mixing everything, you check on the beef so it's also ready. This is how it's supposed to look like. So let's go ahead and fill our shawarma. Okay, so the first step is to place your pita bread on your chopping board. Spread some sauce and then add your vegetables followed by the beef, and then you top up with this sauce and then wrap it. Actually, I bought this pita bread from the mall, but you can also make it at home. I was in a rush for church, so I just used the already made. So to make this pita bread is very simple. You combine flour, salt and then olive oil or any kind of oil you have and a bit of water. Make it into a dough, roll it flat and then cut it in a round shape. Get your frying pan and then smear with a bit of oil and then put the cut pitas inside and then allow it to cook halfway. That is how to make the pita bread. You can also check links on YouTube for how to make pita bread. So once I'm done filling everything, I'm going to go ahead and then toast this one. So stay tuned. Okay, so at this point I'm going to use my toaster, but if you don't have a toaster, that's fine. You can use your frying pan. You just smear a little bit of oil and then that's fine. I use a cooking spray in the toaster. So you just spray it and then you put your shawarma and then toast it until you see that golden brown look. Repeat the same step for all your shawarma and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's our shawarma. It's ready after toasting. It looks so delicious, guys. I'm going to open it so that you see how it looks. Look at the juice from this shawarma. This is so good. And then the smell was amazing. Trust me, it was very delicious. I really enjoyed it. And then I'll be showing you how to wrap this if you're taking it out. So you just get aluminium foil and then put it inside, roll it, and then that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and then don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more recipes. Bye bye.